Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to everyone. Welcome to International Borneo Innovation Exhibition and Competition 2023. Today, our team will present our end product entitled Automatic Reference Number or ARN. Before we proceed further, let me introduce you our team members. The first one is Nur Zaihan bin Ismawi, me myself Muhammad Faizal bin Mat Zulkifli, and last one is Mohammed Amir Wakidi bin Muhammad Rosli. And this is the content what we are going through this for 2 days. And for overall, we have 8 elements in total. The first one is problem statement, objective, implementation level, project impact, users and application, commercial potential, authenticity, and the last one is of course the project demonstration. And we go to the first one. The current process of assigning a unique reference numbers to documents sent outside the institution relies heavily on a single person managing the file room, causing inefficiencies and burdening the staff. The manual method of searching for the last document, for the last running numbers, and passing it along for each document category and type is impractical and time consuming. And last one is the lack of an innovative solution to streamline the reference number assignment process urgently hampers work efficiency and productivity. And for the objective, we have 3 objectives as a total. The first one is develop a web-based system to manage a reference number based on category, types, names, and file a reference number for a specific documents. The second one is to avoid time wasting to get a reference numbers. And last one is to make sure documents is safe. Some documents might be private, of course, and well managed. And for the project impact, we have 2 impact for this innovation. The first one is to ease the person in charge for the file room in terms of the file management. And the second one is to avoid time wasting for both person in charge and staff who need the reference number. And this is some kind of implementation level. Actually, we have used the SDLC or the software development life cycle. Okay, the first one is requirement analysis, whereby we identify the problems, we arrange the session with person in charge for the file room, and we get the file categories, types, names, and file reference numbers from the file room. And the second cycle is we've got planning, whereby we analyze the problem, identify the platform and the product cost. And the third one is software design, whereby we overview the blueprint. We create a blueprint and we overview the blueprint whether we want to proceed for the development. And of course, for the first one, we try to develop the software or the system. And the fifth step is we test a few sessions setup to review the product and get tested to make sure all the requirements are there and also to avoid bugs. And for the deployment, for now, the proposal have been made to the head of the administration staff to review the product and get feedback. For now, we are stuck at the testing phases. And if there is everything is going well, we will try to deploy and we use it as a system. Okay, this is the users and the application. Of course, this implementation or this innovation will be used as a unique reference number. Everyone knows that every time we want to create documents or we want to send the letters outside the institution, we need to have a reference number. And these unique reference numbers serve as identifiers that help locate and retrieve a specific files efficiently. And for the file room management, efficient system to automate the assignment and retrieve of the reference numbers. And the third one, to streamlining document handling, whereby this innovation will reduce the burden of the staff and enhancing the overall of work efficiency. And for the commercial potential, based on what the feedback we got just now, for now the current process is we send the proposal, we make the proposal and send it to the head of administration staff, and to make sure that everything is going well before we deploy into the real production. And for the authenticity, we use 4 kind of software. The first one is IBIEC. Actually, IBIEC is the ERP based system, but then we try to customize that system to suit what we need. And then for the servers, we use the server from the DigitalOcean. DigitalOcean provides us the IP, and we run the web-based system through the IP. And for the PATI is actually we access the file through the command prompt, and the Windscape also same like a PATI. We access the file, the JS file or JavaScript file or the Python file through the Windscape. And last one, this is the product demo. Thank you.